What is mental strength? It is the capacity of an individual to deal effectively with stresses, pressures, and challenges and perform to the best of their ability, irrespective of the circumstances in which they find themselves. It is the potential to make decisions and choices and stick with them. Also, it is to focus your mind on your actions and on your goals. Increased mental strength is the key to performing at your peak. It helps you manage your thoughts, regulate your emotions, and behave productively. That means you will be able to focus your effort and energy on the things that matter most. How to cultivate your mental strength? Believe in yourself. Focus on your aim and purpose. Focus on what you want to achieve. To build your mental strength, doubts and disbelief are like brakes that do not allow you to move forward. So don't doubt yourself. Set simple, realistic, and short term goals that are not difficult to achieve. Short term goals such as I want to work for 30 minutes without checking my phone, or I want to reply to all my emails by today evening. With each goal you achieve, you will gain more confidence. Do one thing at a time. Make a schedule. Think positive. Tolerate discomfort for a greater purpose. Practice tolerating discomfort by reminding yourself of the bigger picture. Push yourself to run on the treadmill when you feel tired. Don't escape the discomfort. The more you tolerate discomfort, the more confidence you will have in your ability to do difficult things. Strive to fulfill your purpose. Write out a clear and short mission statement about what you want to accomplish in life. When you are struggling to take the next step, remind yourself why it's important to keep going. Focus on your daily objectives, but make sure those steps you are taking will get you to a larger goal in the long run. Look for explanations, not excuses. When you don't perform well as expected, examine the reasons why. Look for an explanation to help you do better next time, but don't make excuses. Take full responsibility for any shortcomings. Don't blame others. Take some deep breaths. A big part of developing mental strength is knowing how to maintain your cool and boost your concentration. And one way of doing this is taking a few deep breaths. Whenever you are under emotional or physical stress, breathing deeply a few times. This will boost the levels of oxygen in your blood and charge you with the energy. that you need to make an effort of regaining your composure. Use your mental energy in a wise way. To boost your mental strength, you should always seek to conserve your mental energy. This is the ability to purposefully focus on something and get it done. Too often, we waste our mental energy by worrying about things that are beyond our control. When we worry about problems which we cannot solve, we have much less energy to utilize in a wise way, solving the problems that are in our control. So instead of worrying about things, accept the circumstances and change what you can. Smile at your challenges. If you're experiencing some emotional or physical pain, smiling can actually reduce the discomfort significantly. When you smile, your heart rate decreases and the body begins to release your feel-good hormones such as dopamine and endorphins. Practice yoga on daily basis. For hundreds of years, people have practiced yoga to boost their overall well-being. Also, it reduces your levels of stress. Ignore what you cannot control. You may not have control over the circumstances occurring around you, but you have total control over how you react to them. If you can't control something, don't react to it. Go on as if nothing happened. This is a way to boost mental strength. Keep attention on the things that are important. And this is the secret to the success.